Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pair with the call button with the watch receiver. First we need to turn on by pressing the B button. Okay, you can see that. Okay, the pager ID and the name will show on the screen. Now go to the menu, press A. Okay, and before you pairing, you need to confirm the modes first. There are 3 modes: single, general, and choose receiver. For the general and choose receiver, they are the same. So after you pair, even though you choose general and after you choose receiver, it works. But if you choose single, to pair the to pair the call button and change it to general, it will not work. You need to pair again. Now we choose the general. By the way, if you choose single B, you can't pair the keypad. Only general able to pair with the keypad. So we choose the general and press B for a second to keep the mode and find the pairing. Okay, the extension pair means the call button pair, and long press the A to the pairing. Okay, when you can see there the number is no, which means the number is not paired. If it shows okay, it means it paired. Now let's try to pair it. Okay, after pairing, you can see it changed to another number directly, number 2. And okay, you can see it shows OK and it changed to another number. This is how to pair the call button with the watch receiver. Thank you.